After reviewing the sanitation paperwork for each of the production dates, nothing out of the ordinary was noticed by the sanitation employees. Line 5 did need to be re-cleaned, but it passed visual inspection and ATP swabbing after the second cleaning and sanitizing attempt.
The lines where the affected products had been produced were visually inspected and ATP swabs were done. Lines 6 and 7 passed on the first inspection of swabbing, but line 5 did not. There was peanut butter left in the extruder die after cleaning. Sanitation was notified and the die was re-cleaned. The die passed quality visual inspection and ATP swabbing on the second attempt. We also sampled the lot of peanut butter used in the affected peanut butter pretzels and sent the sample to our third-party lab to test for the presence of salmonella. The results indicated that no salmonella was present in the peanut butter. We collected the correct sample size of peanut butter per our company's established ingredient sampling procedure.
The person working on line 6 was opening bags of black pepper near my line. I saw black pepper in the air as she opened the bags to add more seasoning to the other line. I didn't want black pepper to get on my line because the black pepper would change the flavor of the peanut butter pretzels. I visually checked the line to make sure no black pepper was present.
I was training one of the new employees and noticed that she was opening the bags of black pepper near the peanut butter pretzel line. I saw black pepper in the air as the bags were opened. I helped remove the bags of black pepper closer to the salt and black pepper pretzel line and showed her how to open the bags to minimize the amount of black pepper being released into the air.
I noticed that there was black pepper on the outside of the sour cream and onion seasoning. I brushed off the black pepper with my hands before pouring the sour cream and onion seasoning into the seasoning bin on the processing line.
After checking the records for the date range, nothing out of the ordinary was noticed during the time frame in which the affected products were packaged. All packaging material and products being packed looked normal.
After checking the warehouse, we found the peanut butter was stored correctly. There were no open bags of peanut butter and no tears in the packaging. The area looked clean. There was no evidence of spills. Black pepper was being stored above a partial pallet of sour cream and onion seasoning. Some of the black pepper bags were torn, and there was a nail sticking out of the pallet that could have cut the packaging. Some black pepper was on bags of sour cream and onion seasoning. The sour cream and onion seasoning bags were inspected for tears, but no tears were found. The finished product storage area looked well kept. There were no apparent potential contamination concerns.
The information provided by customer service indicates a starting production date of May 31st, 2020 for each of the 3 products. We reviewed cleaning logs and pre-operational checklists. Peanut butter pretzel bites were run on line 5 next to processing line 6. Line 5 was cleaned May 31st, 2020 during the night shift. When quality did a visual inspection and ATP swab, part of the line failed the inspection initially but later passed. Line 5 started production at 7 a.m. on May 31st, 2020. Salt and black pepper pretzels were run on line 6 next to lines 5 and 7. Line 6 was cleaned May 31st, 2020 during the night shift. When quality did a visual inspection and ATP swab, the line passed inspection. Line 6 started production at 9:30 a.m. on May 31st, 2020. Sour cream and onion pretzels were run on line 7 next to line 6. Line 7 was cleaned May 29th, 2020 during the night shift. When quality did a visual inspection and ATP swab, the line passed inspection. Line 7 started production at 8:15 a.m. on May 31st, 2020.